Hey, this is Gabe, and today we're going to take a look at one backpacking meal and just walk you through the whole cycle of it. I'm going to start by prepping it here at home, and then show you two ways that you can prepare it out while backpacking, bikepacking, etc. Today we're making Mujadara lentils, which is a Lebanese lentil dish, and I'm going to prepare it with couscous. The first way I will do this is the way that I ate on the entire Triple Crown, and that's using a plastic peanut butter jar, and with this I can simply hydrate the meal and eat it cold. I want to fill the peanut butter jar no more than about a third full, because once it hydrates it will expand. This is a slightly light portion, but can be enough for one person if you mix in some cashews or pine nuts. A heaping teaspoon of cinnamon, a heaping teaspoon of cumin, a little bit of ground black pepper, and about a half teaspoon of salt. To this, all I'll have to do is add water up to about here, a little bit more perhaps if it gets dry, and then I can eat it whenever. Usually takes about a half hour to hydrate. So I'll shake that up intermittently, and that'll be done from anywhere from a half hour to a couple hours. So the second preparation will be for two people, and it'll be a cooked meal. 70 grams of couscous, 60 grams of lentils, a heavy teaspoon of cinnamon, a similar amount of cumin, a heaping teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, and I will also add a small handful of cashews for some added fat.